Welcome to the Office Store, the place where you can find thousands of add-ins and apps. Mail Responder is provided by Office at Work 365. This add-in allows you to remotely create thoughtful and meaningful out-of-the-office messages. Download it for free, then launch it from your Office 365 account. This award-winning developer has created a solution for automatic responses which you can implement online from anywhere. We'll start by choosing our audience to be both internal and external. Now let's choose both Chinese and English as the language for our response message. The message preview looks great. So next we'll choose a scenario, in this case, events. Let's add the event details. Entering the location will generate a link to a Bing map, helping the recipient of this message understand exactly where we are. Now we can add the date which we will be back in the office, and let the recipient know that we will have limited access to email. During the event, we will be checking our emails sporadically. Also, we want to give ourselves some time to respond to all of our emails when we're back at our office, so we'll select Expect Delayed Response. Next, we'll leave an emergency contact for our internal folks. We'll enter the name of our personal assistant and complete the contact details. Let's enter the activation date and check the preview once more to ensure we've created a professional way to represent ourselves and our company. Then we'll simply hit Submit and bring to life just one of the ways that add-ins make Office better. Visit betterwith.office.com and find more ways to heighten your Office user experience.